Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate velvet cake. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure your eggs and butter are at room temperature. Also, prepare 2 9-inch round cake pans by greasing and flouring them thoroughly. Next, sift together your dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, cream 1 cup of unsalted butter with 2 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs one at a time. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, alternating with 1 cup of buttermilk. Now, divide your batter evenly between the 2 prepared 9-inch cake pans. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of each cake. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, it's time to frost your delicious chocolate velvet cake. Prepare a rich chocolate cream cheese frosting using 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of butter, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. Once the cakes are completely cool, spread an even layer of frosting between the 2 layers and then over the top and sides. Garnish with chocolate shavings or sprinkles for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.